magnetic field to this, so
Yeah.
the current passes becomes magnet. There's also permanent magnet there,
Yeah.
so they're kicking each other. So that's why they're like pushing each other. That's why it's rotating. So that's the principle of the motor.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what's the battery for?
The battery is to magnetize the coil.
Oh. So what's a stator and what's the armature?
The stator is
It's because it's stationary?
the stationary is the magnet,
Yeah.
and then this is the rotor. This is the armature.
So where would the brushes be?
The brush is basically there's a brush.
That's the
connecting
brush?
this, yeah.
So in the real world, that would be wearing out? After a long time,
yeah,
it wore
and
out?
Yeah, the real one, the brush will be touching it like this.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's rotating while it's touching it.
So every time you press something, something spin, it's basically right there.
Right.
Isn't that so cool?
Yeah. Why did it stop?
Huh?
Why did it just stop?
It's just alignment. So when it goes one side or the other, it stops. But if it's aligned, you just keep on working.
Wow.
Does it keep going until the battery wears out?
Yeah. Basically, or the alignment where, and let's keep going. It's like, you can go for days.
Oh, wow.
Very cool. So Annika, you see that there's electricity coming into here?
Yeah.
Well, this machine, if you measure it, it can tell you how many volts is it, and also what's happening over time.
Right.
So let's just like this 1 second, what's the voltage? The next second, what's the voltage? So it's called oscilloscope?
Oscilloscope.
Oscilloscope.
Yeah, those are like, if you have DC, it's just flat, right?
Yeah.
But if you're AC, it will go like that. So this could be like a different waveform. You can have a different waveform. So like that's a square. You can have a triangle, and then you can have AC. This only has 3, and then you can do you can change this.
So this one creates the waveform,
Yes.
and this one displays it?
Okay.
Yeah, so in your car, you have these waveforms, like the oxygen sensor is doing that, and the computer needs to see these waveforms, and that it ejects the right amount of gas.
Oh.
Yeah.
That
So,
is my car.
wow.
It's huge.
So how did you make the waveform with the V? Which one did you press to get the?
Different waveforms?
I think you hit one that looked like a V, or
The waves.
Yeah, it's a waves, different waves.
The square.
Square and triangle, so it's AC, so it's the same thing here. So the other, machine has got a better display. So it does like more, like it produces noise, it produces, like the other pulse, it produces.
So what is this machine called?
It's function generator.
Function generator. And what is this one called?
Oscilloscope.
Oh. And so one produces and one displays.
Displays.
So if you're fixing something, why would this help you? Like, I want to see, but
So you need a signal. So for example, if I build an amplifier,
yeah.
so I have to give it like a signal, and then when also it amplifies, I have to see it also with whether the signal is amplified. So most signals are AC power, so they're time changing. So you can see the display whether it's amplified or not.
Wow. Very cool. So if I want to know, so what are some of the electronics that's inside a radio or a TV that I can use this to test with? Some of the common things that can break down.
Like, you can make oscillators, like for example, if you have a phone, basically it's oscillator, right? So it takes a DC power and it makes oscillation. The oscillation looks like that,
Oh,
right?
got it.
You have to have an instrument to see it. And
Okay.
then when you build oscillator also, you build it to see that. So basically, you can see.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, teacher.
welcome, man.
All right, we're going to go check another one out.
Sir, are you